Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Alert 2 on Windows. First, ensure you have a legitimate copy of the game, ideally from a digital platform like Origin or a physical disk. Install the game to your system, noting the installation path. This initial step is crucial for setting up the game correctly on your modern operating system. We will then proceed to configure compatibility settings for optimal performance. Next, we need to adjust the compatibility settings. Right-click on the game's executable file, usually named RA2, EXE or URI, EXE, and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box to run the program in compatibility mode for Windows XP Service Pack 3. Additionally, ensure you check Run this program as an administrator to prevent permission issues. These adjustments are vital for the game to function properly. Many players encounter display issues like distorted colors or incorrect resolutions. To fix this, download a community-made patch, often called a CNCNet or DDraw wrapper. Extract these files directly into your Red Alert 2 installation folder. These patches typically include a configuration tool. Use it to set your desired resolution and resolve color depth problems. This step significantly improves your visual experience. With all settings applied, launch the game. If you used a patch, launch it via the new executable or shortcut it created. Should you encounter any problems, such as the game crashing, try temporarily disabling your antivirus software before launching. Many online communities and forums offer solutions for specific error codes. With these steps, you should be ready to enjoy hours of classic real-time strategy gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.